Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying hardware and connections so you don't chase phantom errors. First, check that the TV supports HDCP2, 2 and 4K 60Hz. If not, you'll know which mode to target. Plug the high-speed HDMI cable into the Xbox HDMI output and the TV input directly. Avoid AV receivers for this initial test. Once connected, fully power cycle the Xbox and TV. Hold the console power button, then restart the TV. Doing that clears handshake caches and reveals the current unsupported mode. You now change software settings to match the TV's capabilities and force a stable handshake. Boot the Xbox into low-resolution mode if needed, then open Settings General TV and Display Options. Manually select 1080p or 4K depending on your TV's confirmed support, and then toggle Allow 4K and allow HDR one at a time to isolate which feature causes the unsupported message. Once done, adjust refresh rate to 60Hz and try HDMI Deep Color. Testing each combination narrows the exact incompatibility. Finish by eliminating software and cable causes so you get a stable image. Update the Xbox system and the TV firmware, then retest the display settings after each update because firmware often fixes handshake bugs. Swap in a certified 4K/HDCP2. 2 HDMI cable if the message remains. If nothing changes, restore display settings to defaults, reboot, and then reapply only the options your TV handled. Troubleshooting tip. If you still see unsupported mode, try disabling HDR and 4K simultaneously to isolate HD.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.